Now the current intensity is severe cyclonic storm. Wind speed is about 100 to 110 km per hour.
Cyclone Dana battered the coastal regions of West Bengal and Odisha during the intervening nights of October 24th and 25th. Heavy rains and gusty winds impacted Odisha's Bhadrak district as the storm moved inland. In Dhamara, Bhadrak, strong winds uprooted trees, adding to the growing impact of the cyclone. Gusty winds and violent sea waves have been reported in West Bengal's Digha. West Bengal CM Mamata Banerjee monitored Cyclone Dana's landfall situation from the state government's control room in Howrah. The IMD issued an update that the landfall is expected to continue until the morning of 25th October.
Now it is about 15 km north of Dhamara and 30 km northwest of Habelikhatti camp, that is in Bhitarkanika. And now the current intensity is severe cyclonic storm and wind speed is about 100 to 110 km per hour, gusting to 120 km per hour. Landfall process continues, and the rear sector of the cyclone is entering into the land, and the landfall process would continue for next 1 to 2 hours. It is likely to move nearly west-northwestward across North Odisha and weaken gradually into a cyclonic storm by forenoon of 25th October.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.